Hey guys, it's your boy AJ. Today we are playing Strucid. I'm playing with my friend Jajikan. Shout out to him. Go subscribe to his channel. His channel's right here. Here's his channel. I'll put a link in the description. And also go follow his Roblox account, I guess. I forgot what his it's called Jajikan. It's right here, as you can see. And yeah, I'm lagging. Hello? James? Okay, now I'm not lagging. Tristan? Hello? Anybody on the call? Let's see if he's still on the call. Hello? Yeah, he's still on the call, but where is he? I don't hear him at all. Okay. Wait, I got unlucky. He's AFK. Yeah, he's AFK. Okay, guys, I'm gonna rejoin that. Because I want to play regular. Strucid. Yeah, he left. Let's see if he's still on. Hello? He left. Okay, I'm gonna end the call with him. Okay. So, I'm loading in. I'm actually lagging a little bit. Do I have teammates? No, it's solos. It's basically solos. What? How did I die? Oh, never mind. The game just finished. Okay, guys, so I might end it in 2, 3, 5 minutes. So, yeah, right. So I'm gonna deploy now. Okay, now I'm not lagging. F3, 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 F3. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Okay. Oh my lord. Close-up range and assault rifle is so OP. Guys, I might end the video here, so yeah. Peace. I'm sorry if it's